Today we are going to know something about Nobel Prize laureates in the field of literature. Let's start with 1901. I will tell only some important writers. 1901, Sully Prudhomme, France. In French he has written. 1902, Theodore Mommsen, Germany, in German. 1907, Rudyard Kipling, United Kingdom English. 1913, Rabindranath Tagore, India Bengali. 1923, William Butler Yeats, Ireland English. 1925, George Bernard Shaw from Ireland. Again, he also wrote in English. 1929, Thomas Mann of Germany, in German. 1930, Sinclair Lewis, United States, in English. 1932, John Galsworthy, United Kingdom, in English. 1936, Eugene O'Neill, United States, in English. 1938, Pearl S. Buck, United States, in English. 1945, Gabriela Mistral, Chile, in Spanish. 1946, Hermann Hesse, Switzerland, in German. 1947, André Gide, France, in French. 1948, T.S. Eliot, United States. He is from United States, but later on he became of United Kingdom. In English, 1949, William Faulkner of United States, in English. 1950, Bertrand Russell, in English. He is of United Kingdom. Then 1953, Sir Winston Churchill, United Kingdom, English. 1954, Ernest Hemingway, United States, English. 1957, Albert Camus, France, French. 1958, Boris Pasternak, though he declined the prize, but he is of Russia and written in Russian. 1964, Jean-Paul Sartre, he also declined the prize. He is of France and written in French. 1969, Samuel Beckett, Ireland, in English or French. 1971, Pablo Neruda, Chile, in Spanish. 1973, Patrick White, Australia, in English. 1982, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Colombia, in Spanish. 1983, William Golding, United Kingdom, in English. 1991, Nadine Gordimer, South Africa, in English. 1992, Derek Walcott, St. Lucia, he is from St. Lucia, in English. 1993, Toni Morrison, United States, in English. 1995, Seamus Heaney, he is from Ireland and written in English. And then come to 1999, Gunter Grass, Germany, written in German. 2001, Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. I bet you that you don't know the full name of V.S. Naipaul. V.S. Naipaul is the full name. V.S. Naipaul is the, you can say that, short form of Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. He is from United Kingdom, Trinidad, English. 2003, J.M. Coetzee, full name John Maxwell Coetzee, from South Africa, in English. 2005, Harold Pinter, United Kingdom, in English. 2007, Doris Lessing, United Kingdom, in English. 2013, Alice Munro, Canada, in English. 2015, Svetlana Alexievich, Belarus, Russian. 2016, Bob Dylan, United States, English. 2017, Kazuo Ishiguro, United Kingdom, English. 2021 now, Abdul Razzaq Gurna, United Kingdom, Tanzania, born in the Sultanate of Zanzibar, written in English. Okay, children, thank you. These are only some important writers from 1901 to 1921. In between the years, some writers have got the prizes, but I have told only the important ones. Okay, children? Bye.